Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be showing you what's new in B&M. Let's go. So one of the first things I saw was this shoe rack and it was only £6. I thought that's really good. They also had a really good selection of Easter things. Like, how cute are these pastel products for Easter? I'm actually obsessed. Like, if I had kids then I would be definitely coming here and making some cool decorations for Easter. So I headed straight over to the bathroom section to see if they had anything new. I really like this little caddy. I thought it was really cute and I can never get enough of baskets. I thought that was £2 at first, but no, it was £8, but still a really good bargain. Absolutely love these baskets for the bathroom. These ones are cool shape. They can go in any sort of nook and cranny in the bathroom. They had quite a lot of new things as well I hadn't seen before. So these containers, I thought this is a good, like, to put your earbuds in or cotton buds. And then they had new stuff over here. I really like this collection. It's like a marble bathroom collection. They gave like handmade vibes, but they obviously aren't handmade. But how cute are these? And they also have them in the white colour, which I thought was lovely. I definitely wouldn't. So they also had some more stone type products, which I absolutely was obsessed with. But if we were moving out of our bungalow soon, I definitely would have stocked up on these, so I'm kind of glad because I would have been skint afterwards. But yeah, some more trays. Always good to look out for pieces that have got discount on them. Really love this wooden coasters, £2.50, and the bigger one for £4. Just gives that warm vibes to any area in your home. And just a few more sort of bathroomy stone bits, which I thought £2.50 for that stone toothbrush holder is really good. So again, this is my favourite section in the cleaning section. Is all the bamboo and the wooden stuff. They've still got quite a good selection of bamboo cleaning products, which I absolutely love. I think, you know, cleaning products aren't the most aesthetic thing in the world, but they're pretty good. And I really wanted to get this laundry basket. It's only £12, and obviously you can push it down and just slide it behind the fridge or something while you're not using it, which I think is good. Nice to see that somebody's left their burger on these. But yeah, again, this one was £12 as well, and I just thought, yeah, as soon as we get our utility room, I am coming back for you. One of you, maybe both. But yeah, they've got lots of different things in this aisle. This is all kind of the same as always, really. But lots of tubs for organising your kitchen or your laundry room. So if you're thinking about organising, then definitely get down here because some of these are mega cheap. So you could definitely do a cost. Really like these ones because they're all stackable, which I think is brilliant when you're trying to save space. And also, I did not know B&M now do slippers. How cute are these? I really wanted to grab a pair, but I've just had a new pair of slippers for Christmas. Also, these snoody things, the type of the blankets with the arms, £10. I thought that was an absolute bargain. Again, wanted to get one. I was actually gonna get one of these, but I thought, nah. This little laundry basket is so cute with all the polka dots on it, and it's only £8. I thought you could even put your toilet rolls in it. I am an absolute sucker for baskets. Like, I don't know why, but I'm absolutely obsessed with baskets. So B&M have got such a good range of baskets. I absolutely love these ones on the bottom shelf with a little teddy face. I think for anyone's nursery or anything like that, it would be so cute. Again, they've got a great selection of all these throws. I know it's kind of like coming into spring, so some of these, you know, they might be discounted. So if you want to get some nice winter blankets, I'd go get some now. Again, like blankets are £5. Really good if you've got dogs and they constantly ruin all your nice blankets, then you can just get some on cheap. Really love this one. That was a bit more expensive at £20, but it looked like good quality. And as well as always, they've got lots of different colours of things. I think they're only £20 and it's held up really. More bits and bobs. To be fair, this B&M is actually massive in Cardiff. Love these little bedside tables for £30. I bought some from Mano Mano and they were £50 each, so a little bit gutted about that, but I'm hoping mine were a bit bigger perhaps. Lots and lots of cane stuff reduced, which is amazing if you want to grab some cane furniture. Okay, now onto these mirrors, because I know a lot of people wanted this mirror and it was out of stock in so many B&Ms. Look at this mirror here, 40 quid for 80 centimetre round mirror. Love this hexagon one as well. I'm sorry if it's not a hexagon, I'm not very good with my shapes. But these circle mirrors are amazing. So if you're looking for a circle mirror, they're only 40 quid. Some of the decor pieces, I absolutely love this because it's got lots of different sort of things that you wouldn't really expect to see in a B&M, but they are so nice and so carefully selected, and yeah, if you pick the right pieces, they'll look really nice in your home. Like, I absolutely love this one. How sweet is that? I've seen a lot of people kind of do DIYs online of like little tubs like this, or you could just buy this one from B&M. Again, a lot of the sort of like Pampasy stuff, if you're still into Pampas. Loved this actual vase, and this was the white one. Again, if we weren't moving out, I'd be buying most of that. I'd be buying that one there. It was a £5. I thought these were really sweet as well if you had like a child or a nursery. I just thought they were so cute. Again, lots of the same sort of B&M stuff that we've been seeing for a while, but it's all still here. If you want any of this sort of stuff, avoid paying H&M prices and just come down to B&M. I love this candle. It was like in a wooden tub and it was only £6. I love these sort of mint green boho candle holders, and how cool were these candles? Loved them, and they were £2.50. So if I was a bit of a hostess, I definitely would have got this for some, like, you know, nuts and things like that, but I'm not very good at hosting, so I'll just leave those for someone else. They had a lot of lovely speckled dishes, speckled everything, which I absolutely love. And as well, I really think this colour is like in at the moment, like this burnt brown, burnt orange. Again, this was speckled, which I thought was lush, and for £7, can't really go wrong. And I really wanted to get this glass. I think if you're a coffee lover, I would absolutely love that, and it's £3. So I think when we finally get our renovation done, I'm going to come back for those glasses for our coffee area. Again, just more of the same. Love these black pasta bowls. I was going to buy myself a new mug, but they didn't have any that really tickled my fancy, which was a shame. But nice tea towels. You can never go wrong with tea towels. Actually, you can go wrong with tea towels. I've got some in my house and they're crap quality, excuse my French. Now this is getting exciting because I love summer, and they have loads of summer stuff in B&M at the moment. Like, absolutely loads. It was probably like 5 aisles full of garden stuff. If you want to clean your patio, there was loads of solar lights. They're so cheap, like this solar net for 16 quid. If you want to create a nice outdoor area for like cheap, I would definitely pop down to B&M because they had so much stuff. I saw these, and I know IKEA do them, so I'm not sure how much IKEA do charge for something like that, but I thought it's bound to be cheaper in B&M. Lots of gardening tools. Again, they're quite aesthetic gardening tools with the wooden handles and the black actual tool area. And then they had some really cute gardening gloves, which I'll probably come back for because I'm constantly losing my gardening gloves. And I absolutely love these. I thought it was such a nice take on the terracotta pots. Like sometimes the terracotta pots can be so samey, but these are lovely pastel colours. How cute is that yellow pot? Again, I love storage units, storage containers at the moment, so I loved them ones because they were, again, pastel colours. Ignore the mini eggs, because I was trying to ignore the mini eggs because I've given up chocolate for a few weeks. But they've got a lot of fire pits, and they're really, really cheap. I'm hoping that they're good quality. I can't really tell you if they're good quality or not. But they had a lot of variety, so whether you like the tall ones or a basket, they had quite a lot of different ones. Again, I didn't realise they did stuff like this, but they've got lawnmowers. Again, me looking at storage tubs. I'm just obsessed with them at the moment because we're kind of like moving out. Couldn't find the price on some of these chairs, which was annoying, but like I thought these chairs were really good, value for money. And this is kind of like the middle section. I just thought these are nice, like good chairs, benches if you're kind of like wanting to do your garden up on a budget. Love this chair here, this hanging chair. Couldn't find the price, but I really want it, so I might see what state our gardening is in after we finish the reno. But yeah, they've got so many like patio pieces. I love how I keep going back over just to see, like, where is the price? I really want the price of this one. But yeah, they had so many cute little benches like this. I just thought it'd be so nice to stick even like out your front. Just sit out the front with a nice glass of wine. But yeah, they had lots of good sets like this. 3 bistro set. Really affordable. I really like this Valencia set in the beige. They also sell in lazy spas as well and artificial turf. And then I went over to like the other section of B&M. Like, this is the section that I never really go into. It's kind of like the furniture area. But again, there was that footstool that I really wanted for £6, which I probably will get going forward. Quite a lot of cool shelving over here as well for £6. I think that's really good value. And I'm just showing you kind of like what they sell. But yeah, loads of outdoor paint as well. If you want to go to B&M and get some paint, it's there. I was trying to look for natural stone. I thought £6 for these trees, these pear trees, was so good as well. Like, they'll grow into lovely trees. So I thought I would take you to HomeSense. So obviously HomeSense has different product lines in lots of different cities. This one is in Cardiff in Llanishen, and straight away you get the vibe that Easter is coming, just like B&M, with all the different bunnies and eggs. Again, these lovely pastel colours. If you do Easter in your home, then it's definitely a place to come. Absolutely love some of these things. They're so cute. But yeah, probably won't be doing anything Easter related in our house. Hopefully have the renovation going on at that point, but probably wouldn't do anything anyway. But if you do anything, definitely come and check out HomeSense. So they had lots of nice statement chairs, which is keeping good inspo for me for when we do the reno. I thought this was good. These little bedside tables in clearance as well. One thing that worried me about this trip to HomeSense was everything was basically in clearance. So I don't know, it worried me a little bit. I hope they're not going under, but I love HomeSense and I'm hoping it's just because they want to get rid of old product lines and bring new ones in. But honestly, everything was in the clearance, which is just a bit worrying. But good for us, because things are discounted left, right and centre. I always find these sofas in the middle funny. Like, I really want to try it, but there's like something on top of it. Never mind. I really like these chairs. They had them in a few different colours, but obviously I like black, so I think I would go for the all black. Stunning pieces. They had the swinging chair, which I couldn't find the price of in B&M. And this one was... I can't even see myself. Loved the fact that it had kind of like a magazine holder. Really like these wooden planters. So nice for decorating your patio. How cute are these patio chairs? They're so nice. I really, really want to come back and get them. Yeah, so this is what the Home Sense looks like in Llanelli in Cardiff. I always like coming to the mirror section. They always have some really, really good mirrors. I got a 70cm circle mirror from here for £24.99, which is just insane. And I was just saying that the B&Q one, B&M one was really good for £40. It was even cheaper in Home Sense. How cute are these pink chairs? I just can't wait to start buying bits and bobs like this. I thought this shelving unit was really in. I see lots of people kind of like adding these features to their home items online at the moment. But yeah, the general consensus was that everything seemed to be in clearance. How cute are these bowls? I love them. I wanted to get a mug, didn't I, from B&M, and there wasn't any. I wish I came back for that blue mug. The only problem with the blue mug was, look how big it is. I think it was a bit too big. If they had that one in small, I would have bought it. But yeah, this range is really sweet. Again, lots of mugs, but none of them popped out at me. None of them, apart from that big blue one. Because my last mug was from Home Sense, and I still use it now, but it gets stained really easily because of the type of material that it is. So I wanted a new one that's easier to clean. Didn't find one. Again, all of these stunning trays. I loved this one. Really wanted it. Like, look at how cool that is. Anyway, a lot of this stuff is on clearance. Don't know why, but I might go back for that bowl. Anyway, I'll stop talking now and let you enjoy the rest of my trip to Home Sense. As you can see, Home Sense have such amazing variety of different things, like these little containers here, and again they also have the same laundry basket as B&M. Lots of different storage solutions, which I absolutely love. They've got lots of pet stuff as well, which is always good. If you've got a dog, you can quickly buy him something. Like these risers for the cupboard doors. And again, I told you I love baskets. Like, this is just a basket lover's dream. So I hope you like this type of video. It's a bit longer than usual because I thought I would take you around in like mostly real time so you can kind of see what's in the stores, to see if you'd like to make a trip down there yourself. Yeah, and let me know in the comments if you'd like me to go to any of the stores, and I'll happily go and film them for you. Let me know as well if you would have bought anything in Home Sense or B&M today, and I'll see you in the next video.